everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna get straight into the tutorial. So I'm starting off by making some green tea. You guys know I love myself some green tea when it comes to DIY skincare. So I'm gonna start by making the green tea. While the green tea is steeping, I'm gonna get started with the rest of my ingredients. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of Kaolin Clay. This is one of my favorite clays to use. It's a lot more gentle than bentonite or the Aztec clay that a lot of people like. Then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of honey. I also love adding honey to my DIY skincare. It's so moisturizing and it's a great alternative if you can't use oil on your skin because it basically provides the same effect. Next, I'm gonna add some aloe vera. I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon of aloe vera. With kaolin clay, you have to be careful not to make it too watery because it is a very light clay mixture. I'm then gonna add 2 teaspoons of the actual green tea mixture. Mix that together really thoroughly, and then I'm actually going to add the green tea leaves themselves. This adds a really great exfoliant when you're taking the mask off, so I love to do this. And it also, you're going to end up throwing the leaves away anyway, so you might as well mix them in your mask. Mix that together really well again. It's basically going to look like ranch dressing when you're done. Next, moving on to applying it to the skin. So while I apply this to the skin, I'm going to go over why we're using these ingredients. So to start off, green tea is a natural antioxidant. If you've seen some of my other videos, I mentioned how it has something called EGCG, which also can help to decrease oil production on the skin. And I have very oily skin, so I always like to include it in my DIY skincare recipes. It's also anti-inflammatory and helps decrease the puffiness, especially around the eyes. The Kaolin clay, again, I really like this clay because it's one of the more gentle clays. It helps to clean out your pores. It will help to brighten your skin over time. And I just love it. It just gets really deep inside the pores, gets out all of that junk and blackheads. The reason why I included honey in this mixture is, like I mentioned, it's a great natural moisturizer. It's antibacterial, helps fight acne, and it also tastes really good. My next ingredient, aloe, it is anti-inflammatory, it soothes the skin as well as providing moisture. So I actually use this mask all over my body. So I went ahead and put that all over, and now I'm gonna enjoy my tea while I let it sit. I left the mask on for about 10 to 20 minutes, and as you can see, I take it off with a washcloth in circular scrubbing motions, and this provides that exfoliation. Because you added the honey, this mask is not going to dry out completely. So once it's set for about 20 minutes, you can go ahead and take it off. I take off the rest of the mask in the shower. But after I did this, my skin was so soft. This is one of my favorite new DIY masks that I've come up with. I noticed the next day my skin almost looked airbrushed. My makeup went on so easy, my pores actually looked smaller, and my skin just overall had a beautiful glow. So altogether, these ingredients help fight acne, clean your pores, detoxify the skin, help fight signs of aging, and overall just soothe and replenish your skin. So go ahead and try this out. Let me know down below what you think, and I will see you guys in my next one.